In today's video, we check out the new Aer Slim Pouch, the latest carry companion from Aer, built to carry and organize all your daily essentials. I'm Ed from Rushfaster, and we do guides and walkthroughs, bring you better gear and better ways to carry. So if any of that sounds good to you and you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's jump right in and check out the Aer Slim Pouch. Aer is a carry company based in San Francisco, and they've just released this little pouch to add to their diverse range of carry goods. We've actually covered a number of bags from Aer, so if you want to check those out, head over to our channel and look up the Aer playlist. If you'd like to check out the Slim Pouch online as you follow along this video, there's going to be a link in the description below, as well as a QR code on the screen for you to scan with your phone camera. Also in the description below is a link to subscribe to our Rushfaster Carry Roundup newsletter, where we talk about news in the carry world. We also give away some carry gear to one lucky subscriber who's subscribed to the channel and also to the newsletter, so enter your chance to win there. Now, getting back onto the Slim Pouch, at the time of this video, it comes in 3 different colors: olive, black, and heathered grey. The olive and black use a separate material to the heathered grey. It uses a 1680 denier ballistic nylon cordura, whereas the heathered grey uses a 900 denier eco-dyed polyester. Obviously, with ballistic nylon, there is a high level of abrasion resistance, but you're not going to have any problems with the heathered grey either. In terms of other features on the Slim Pouch, we have YKK zippers. On the main compartment zipper path, we have a reverse coil zipper, and then on this side zippered compartment, we've actually got a AquaGuard zipper, which has the PU coating for water protection. The zipper itself is actually also a self-locking zipper, so it actually won't unzip when the zipper is flat like this. So you need to lift it up in order to actually open the zippered compartment. Just adds that little bit of security, making sure that it won't actually come undone by accident, so that's helpful. There's also a little Hyperlon zipper garage here for that zipper. In terms of branding, we have the Aer brand tab here on the Hyperlon, which is a trademark feature on all of Aer's products. And on the zipper pulls, we have the Aer embossed logo just at the end there. On the edge here, we have a grab handle, which is made of this soft seatbelt material, this nylon webbing. And this is really good for just grabbing the bag as a different option to carry the pouch. But it can also be used to hang off any hooks, or even be attached onto a carabiner and then hung externally on your bag. You also have that option there. Plenty of ways that you can utilize this little grab handle. Now, taking a look at our first compartment, the side zippered compartment, it is a shallow compartment. So inside, I've just stored in a whole bunch of pens. Got some Everyman Grafton pens and some Lamy pens. You could store other things inside this little compartment, maybe like business cards or cables. You have any options just to segment different gear. I've chosen to put pens in there because it works with this current loadout. And as we get into the main compartment, you'll notice that the zipper path goes quite far down, which actually allows us to have better visibility inside this main compartment. As you can see all the different pockets and different pieces of gear because it can open in a much wider way. So at the moment, this loadout is for tech essentials, so if I'm going to the office or working at a cafe, things like that. And as you can see, there are separate pockets and compartments for you to individually sort smaller items. So over here, we've got 2 stretchy mesh pockets. In one of them, I have a portable battery. In the other, I have Bluetooth wireless earphones. In the middle, I have my laptop charging brick, as well as a portable hard drive. As you can see, the middle is perfect for storing bigger items, just like this. And so you'll be storing most of that stuff in the middle, but just be conscious of what you're storing on the sides, as they all share the same dimension inside this main compartment. These mesh pockets are really useful for medium-sized items, so this would be things like a wireless mouse. On the other side, we can see that there are more slip pockets. So there are these 2 slip pockets down the bottom here, which I've just got some wired earphones inside. The other side, I haven't stored anything, but above that, we have a zippered compartment, which you can just store more gear. So I've got dongles here. This zippered compartment is really useful for smaller items. So this could be like USB thumb drives, SD cards, batteries, things like that. You can just chuck them in there, zip it up, keep it secure so it doesn't accidentally jumble around when you're carrying the pouch. Now behind that, we have a large slip pocket, which I've just stored a lot of my cables. So I've got a lightning cable, I've got USB cable and another lightning cable, and I've just used that slot there to store the cables. So in a small slim pouch, a lot of versatility, a lot of organization for tech gear, But say for instance, you're not carrying a lot of tech gear, no dongles, no hard drives, no power bricks, you're just carrying everyday essentials. You can also use a pouch like this to store that sort of thing. Here I've just got my Aer face mask, got some tissues, Bluetooth wireless earphones, and in these slip pockets I've got an inhaler, some hand sanitizer, some hand cream, and just a portable charger for daily use, my keys, and on the other side I've just got some solid state cologne, got my Leatherman rebar, and then behind that I've just got some eye drops as well as some wet wipes. In the zippered compartment I've just got a small lightning cable to charge my phone, and then on the outside I've just carried a little pen, the Everyman Grafton. As you can see, a lot of versatility with this pouch. You can store all sorts of essentials. Well, there you have it, the Aer Slim Pouch, offering simple storage for all your everyday essentials in a nice, slim little package. If you're interested in getting the Slim Pouch, there are going to be affiliate links in the description below, as well as a QR code on the screen for you to scan with your phone camera. If you liked this video, you found it helpful, and you're thinking about getting one of these, then please do use those affiliate links. Those really help support the work of this channel. And even if you're not thinking about getting this pouch, but you still want to support our work, hit the like button, hit the bell, let us know in the comments your thoughts on this pouch, especially in comparison to all the other pouches out in the market right now. And as always, if you haven't already, please subscribe to see more carry gear walkthroughs. And if you like to keep up to date with news in the carry world, we actually have a Rushfaster carry roundup newsletter that you can subscribe to, and one lucky subscriber gets to win some carry gear every roundup. All you need to do is be subscribed to the channel and subscribe to the newsletter to enter your chance to win. And if you want to see more videos just like this, check out some of the links on the screen at the end of this video. But for now, this has been the Aer Slim Pouch. Take care, and we'll see you next time.